look at the next selection structure, switch statement. So the flow chart is like this. So we have a condition. If the value is true, so the condition is similar to matching a specific value to some other specific value. So if that condition is true, we will do something. Then we can have a break statement. So if there is a break, it will continue to the next part. If the condition is false, we will then compare with the next value. If that is false, we will compare with the next value. So we can do the same thing with if-else structure. This is just another way of writing. Okay. So now, how do we write? We use the keyword switch, and then we have the switch expression. Unlike the if condition, the result of this switch expression will always be a whole number. So the type can be integer, short, byte, even character, anything, a whole number. Okay. Then since the result will be a whole number, the case values, so case is another keyword here, and we will have all the possible outputs here as value 1, value 2, value n, and all these values will also be whole numbers. That means character, byte, int, short, and so on. So there is an optional break statement inside every cases. Okay, so we have to write like this: case, then the first possible outcome, value 1, colon, whatever statements we need to execute. Afterwards, we need to put break. If we don't put break, after executing statement 1, all the other statements will be part of the normal execution. We will show we will see an example shortly. So if we put a break means we have seen before, or we will see also see in future. Break is such a statement. When we encounter this, we will get out of the residing block. So since this break is inside this switch block, when we have this break, we will get out of this block into the next execution flow. Okay. So the breaks are important, and then we have a default case. So this is similar to the else at the end of the if, else if structure. So this is a default case. If no other cases match, then we will execute this default case. So after this, we don't need any any break statement, because anyway after this default we are getting out of this block. So now let's look at an example. So switch, then we have a ch. The value is a character type, and if the character, let's say value is a, pause this video and think of where we will go. So we will first compare with this case A, and the value of ch is also a, it matches. So we will go inside this case and we will print this ch value, which is a. Again, pause this value and think of what will happen next. So afterwards, as I have said before, after we execute something inside a case, every other statements becomes a part of normal execution. So after this printing this ch value, we will go to the next println and again print the ch value, which is a. Then we will go to the next println and print the ch value, which is a. So altogether, this part will print 3a in 3 different lines. So if we don't want this and we want the corresponding letter to be printed only once, we can have this. So suppose ch is a, so the value of CH is A, so which matches with this case. So we will go inside this and print the value of A. Then we have this break statement. Break means we now need to get out of this block, so we will go out this block and come to the next statement in the program. This is how the switch statement works.